Hey guys, it's Angela Wills here from marketersmojo.com, and I just wanted to do this really short video to show you something that I get a question about quite often, and it's how to make a link in WordPress. Or you might be able to use this in other places, so I'm just going to show you. In WordPress, I'm often asked this question, and it's something that if you've never seen this before, you won't know how to do it. But once you do, and once you get familiar with it, you'll be able to transfer this little tidbit over to other tools and resources. So I've been editing websites for so long, I just sometimes forget to tell people this. And what you need to do, okay, is know that if you're making a link, you can link to other pages on your website, whether that be linking from your home page to a services page or from a home page to a product page. You can link from one page to another. I'll just show you my website design site here, Blog Site Mojo. Up here, these are all links. Here's a link, here's a link, here's a link. Links are really important to the structure of any website because you want to basically have your visitors come to your site, read what content you have, and then likely you'll want to direct them somewhere else. So, at this services site, I might want to direct people to initial consultation. So I need to be able to create links. I might also want to link out to someone else's site. Maybe I want to recommend somebody, or maybe I want to recommend a product, or maybe I just want to offer, a valuable site and link out to another site. And it's the same type of link. Just you create it the same way, you just link out to another site. So I'm just going to show you how to create a link in WordPress. So the first thing you need to do is open up your editor, whether it be in a post or in a page. You need to either work in a post you already have or add a new post. Once you do that, I'm just going to write some text here. So I'm writing link to my page and link to my website. So what you want to do is highlight the text you want to link, and then once you highlight it, you're going to see a button up here that looks like a chain. It looks like a link in a chain, and that's what you need to click. When you hover over it, it says insert edit link. So you just click on that, and that will allow you to add a link. As that loads up, the first thing it asks is link URL. So the link URL is the page you want to link to. So maybe I want to link to another page, my services page. So I'm going to just type in blogsitemojo.com/services. So that is the URL. It's the website address to the specific page. That's what you want to do. The target means that you can either have the person leave the page they're on and go to a new page, or you can have it open up a new page so that both pages are open. You can just leave this to not set. The title is not really always necessary. If you're working with keywords, you might want to put in, I might put website design services here. The class, I just leave. I never work with that one. So basically, the most important section here is the link URL. If you leave everything else blank, it's fine. You can just add the link URL, and that's the address you want to link to, and then you click insert. Once you've done that, you've created a link. And that's it. That's really all there is to creating a link. You can do it to another site. If I use that link button again, I basically highlight the text, click the link button, and maybe I want to link out to my other site at Marketers Mojo. And in this case, maybe I want them to stay at Blog Site Mojo, but I want Marketers Mojo to open up in a different place. So then I'm going to target to open link in a new window. I'll just do that, and I will put internet business here as the title because that's kind of my keyword for Marketers Mojo. So I'll just put that in, and I'll click insert, and now I've created a second link. And like I said, that's it. That's all you do to create a link. Now there is another way to create a link that involves HTML code. You will notice there's a visual editor here in WordPress, and there's also an HTML editor. If you click the HTML editor, you will see the code for a link. And this code is the same. Basically, anytime you create a link, it has the same format. The format is here. It's a title equals website design services, href equals, and then the URL. And then we've got the text, and we've got \a. What you can do if you need to create a link using HTML is you can just go into here, use the visual editor to create your link. If you don't know HTML or you don't want to, write it out, you can create that link, click the HTML, and then just copy it and paste it wherever it needs to go. And that's it. If you're more comfortable, just work in the visual editor, create your link, and away you go. So that's it. That's how you create a link in WordPress. I hope that helps and answers any questions you might have about it. If you want, you can come visit me at marketersmojo.com. And also, I teach how to create your own website in WordPress. If you don't want to hire someone, you want to learn how to do it yourself or provide it as a service, you can check it out at websitedesignmojo.com. Thanks again for listening. This is Angela Wills, and I'll talk to you again later.